The number one thing I got was that me time, that 1 hour to reflect. Okay, so putting off everything and then writing it down. So the more I am writing down, at least it is sorting out quite a bit of stuff. The things which are like hanging. Okay, number one. Okay. So what I did was I said that I don't have time right now. I have got other stuff. So give me a week or 10 days off. I'm not going to be available at all. Period. So which they have kind of they don't know what to do with me. I don't know what to do with them. So I'm off now. So that gives me time. This is the second thing. The third thing is the horse. I went and met him. The first horse. So I think I'm good. So rest of the things is next time. Oh yeah, the book came out of you. Geet, वो भी आपकी contribution है. अब 4 चीजें होंगी और क्या चाहिए मुझे life में.
Awesome. So it was a full value for time, money, and effort.
I think more than that, yeah. So I've told you again, Geet, I'm going to take you on as my long-term coach, but I don't want to. See, you are an indulgence, frankly, you are a luxury item, okay? Which
for me, this call series has made me actually look into my life, what is happening. So lot of awareness and taking out at least some amount of time for myself, only my time, no one can disturb, and no making me the highest priority. So and a lot of clarity, I would say, that what is stopping me, what is it that I am not leveraging, all the support I have to ask for, and like so many people have actually showed up when I asked to extend their suggestions, or like many things showed up in the last 2 weeks since we have been doing these calls.
So I think you have been contributing to my life. So thanks for that. Gratitude, acknowledgement. But from that, I think I have gotten. I don't really think that I need validation or anything, but I'm sure that you steered me in the right direction of thinking that it is not wrong to have an idea, to have more from life. Just not doing a job, choosing beyond a job, beyond this reality, to have something that I really would love to have, instead of just settling with the fact कि चलो यार job तो चल रही है, अब तो ये choice कर लिया है और कुछ चाह के भी नहीं कर सकते. I think I also want to thank my crazy boss who actually rather affirmed my belief that something else is possible, and this is not I want to do continuously to the last day of my life. This is not how I want to be remembered when I go. So I think that clarity came. Some of the very interesting things that came out of the first call that we did, where you put in names for us as to what is it that resonates with you. I think I had chosen, I think I have written it also. You can see it somewhere. So that's what. And then the things that I never knew, I had an idea maybe somewhere in my brain, but it is all muddled up as to what your values are. So I think now I very see clearly out of that huge laundry list exercise that you did as to what has really come out of it. Many of them were very vague, as in I could see and say, oh, this is not me, this is not me, this is not me. And that elimination exercise helped, because in my mind, I somewhere knew kindness is something very big for me. But when you told me that top 5 only, then I became that person that I used to think that it's not nice person. So kindness was not from the top 5. It wasn't there. Other things were there. So I think that is largely a self-realization कि ये मैं हूँ. Be shameless. That's who you are. Accept it. Don't want pretending कि अरे मैं तो ऐसी हूँ, मैं तो वैसी हूँ. मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसी. This is how I am. Like it, good. Don't like it, very good. I think I had that in the background, but your calls have brought that out. So all of this happened in this period of time when you had initiated the call till date. So lots of things I put in place which were earlier not clicking in. Is it a sign? Maybe yes. I have been choosing to ignore it for a very long time, thinking, oh, मेरी तो नौकरी है, मिडिल क्लास है, ऐसे पैसा इकट्ठा करेंगे, ऐसे पेंशन बनेगा, और फिर यहीं पे खत्म हो जाएंगे. Like Dane says, become hamburgers, sitting there, chewing your curd, become hamburgers, refusing to become the horse. So maybe I was a horse which is in shackles, and it's never too late to break and do something that I really want to do. But lovely knowing all of you, and Geet, as usual, you are God's gift.